The RoboTrex was a serious investment for us. There were cheaper options, but we could just tell by the ease of use and the flexibility that it had what the impact was going to be on our business. Robots don't call in sick. They run all day, every day. You can run them 24 hours a day. I would say in a year's time, we have definitely more than paid for the system. I'm Preston, owner of GrayOps CNC, and our company specializes in precision rifle products, accessories for competitions and the hunting market. We started this business 6 years ago, and I started shooting about 16 years ago. So I had a Precision Rifle Series championship under my belt by 2015, and I was top 7 in the country for about 4 or 5 years. And then in 2019, we launched GrayOps CNC. So with all that knowledge comes lots of ideas. Our ability to dream up these ideas, prototype, and test them right here at GrayOps, and then bring them to market in a very short amount of time, I think is what gives us an edge over the competition. So once we had that final design, we could make our production run quick and bring it to market, possibly beat others to market if we were working on similar things or a new product came to market that needed an accessory for it. It just gives us the ability to make things fast, make things efficient, and make it easy on the people that work here. When you basically take a machine off their table, one guy's responsible for 3 machines, and that one was a constant, either 15 to 45 minute, he had to pay attention to it and reload. But now it's kind of like you spend an hour with it, getting the cart loaded up, and then it just runs all day. So he just kind of keeps an eye on it and makes our other machines even more productive because he's able to spend more time with them.